Hi guys, today we are test driving Mercedes Vito, which came in with the EGR problems. The problems has been solved. Hello sir, what can you tell us? How was your van before and how is it driving now?
Difference between a tortoise and an hare. Outrageous. Totally outrageous. Outrageous. You wouldn't believe it.
Are you happy?
Absolutely, 100%.
100%.
100% happy.
Okay.
Get it done.
Get it done.
Get it done.
Okay, another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Limited. You can reach me on 07-533-636-194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, injectors, turbo problems.
Acceleration is outrageous. Acceleration outrageous. Sports car.
Sports car.
Yeah, outrageous.
Well, there you are. Like I said, we are the masters for what we do. DPF is what we know. And also we are content tuning ECU remapping center. Thanks for watching.